Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Practice Speaking English series. Today's conversation is all about booking a flight and traveling, a practical topic that helps you learn useful travel vocabulary, practice natural sentences, and confidently handle airport and airline situations. Let's join Jake and Liam as they chat about planning trips, booking flights, checking in, and traveling smoothly. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who want to improve their English. And tell us in the comments, where is your dream travel destination? Now, let's get started.
Hi Liam. Are you planning another trip soon?
Hi Jake, yes, I'm thinking about visiting Paris next month.
That sounds amazing. Have you booked your flight yet?
Not yet, I'm comparing flights to find the best price and schedule.
Do you usually book online or through a travel agent?
I prefer booking online because I can compare options and read reviews.
That's smart. Online booking allows more flexibility.
Exactly. I also check airline ratings and baggage policies.
Are you looking for direct flights, or is a layover okay?
I prefer direct flights, but I can consider a layover if the price is much lower.
Makes sense. Direct flights are faster and less stressful.
Absolutely.
Do you usually travel economy or business class?
Economy is fine for me. I want to save money for sightseeing.
That's practical. Business class is nice but expensive.
Exactly.
Have you checked visa requirements for France?
Yes, I already confirmed I don't need a visa for short stays.
That's convenient. Do you also check travel insurance?
Yes, I always get travel insurance for medical emergencies and lost luggage.
That's very responsible. It gives peace of mind.
Absolutely.
Do you usually fly with a specific airline?
Not really. I choose based on price, reviews, and flight times.
Are you booking a round-trip ticket or one-way?
Round trip, it's usually cheaper and easier to manage.
That's smart. Do you pay online or at the airport?
Online payment is more convenient. I can secure the ticket immediately.
Do you prefer flexible tickets in case plans change?
Yes, I like refundable or changeable tickets just in case.
That's practical. Travel plans can change unexpectedly.
Exactly.
Do you check baggage allowance before booking?
Yes, I want to avoid extra charges for luggage.
That's very important. Some airlines have strict baggage policies.
Absolutely.
Are you considering seat selection?
Yes, I like window seats for the view.
That's great. Do you use airline apps for booking?
Yes, apps make check-in and boarding easier.
Do you usually check in online?
Yes, I always check in online 24 hours before the flight.
That saves time at the airport.
Exactly.
Do you print the boarding pass or use a mobile pass?
Mobile pass is easier. I don't need extra paper.
That's convenient. Do you usually arrive early at the airport?
Yes, at least 2 hours before an international flight.
That's wise. Security and check-in can take time.
Absolutely.
How about carry-on luggage? Do you pack light?
Yes, just essentials. I like to avoid checked baggage when possible.
That's practical. Do you check airline restrictions for liquids?
Yes, I pack liquids in small containers in a clear bag.
Good idea. Security checks are strict.
Exactly.
Do you bring snacks for the flight?
Yes, I always carry some fruits and energy bars.
That's smart. Airline food may not always be enough.
Exactly.
Do you like booking flights with meals included?
Sometimes, but I don't mind buying food on the plane.
Do you choose flights based on travel time or cost?
Both. I look for the best balance between price and convenience.
Do you usually book refundable tickets for flexibility?
Yes, it's better in case something unexpected happens.
How about special services like wheelchair assistance?
I don't need it, but it's good to know airlines provide these services.
Do you check for frequent flyer benefits?
Yes, I try to collect points for future trips.
That's smart. Rewards can save money later.
Exactly.
Do you book connecting flights with enough layover time?
Yes, At least 2 hours to avoid missing connections.
That's practical. Tight layovers can be stressful.
Absolutely.
Do you check travel advisories or safety alerts?
Yes, especially for international travel.
That's responsible. It's important to be informed.
Exactly.
How about airport transfers? Do you plan them in advance?
Yes, I book a taxi or shuttle to avoid confusion.
That's smart. It reduces stress on arrival.
Absolutely.
Do you pack a travel kit for long flights?
Yes, I carry a neck pillow, eye mask, and headphones.
Yes, I carry a neck pillow, eye mask, and headphones.
Exactly.
Do you keep travel documents organized?
Yes, passport, tickets, and ID are in a secure folder.
That's very practical. Losing documents can ruin a trip.
Absolutely.
How about checking weather at your destination?
Yes, I pack clothes according to the forecast.
That's smart. You avoid unnecessary luggage.
Exactly.
Do you carry an international adapter for electronics?
Yes, I always bring one to charge my devices.
That's essential for traveling abroad.
Absolutely.
Do you like to choose morning or evening flights?
I prefer morning flights because I arrive early and have the whole day.
That's smart. Evening flights can be tiring.
Exactly.
Do you check airline reviews for punctuality?
Yes, delays can ruin plans, so punctual airlines are better.
That's very practical.
Exactly.
How about luggage tags and identification?
I label all bags with my contact info to avoid lost luggage.
That's smart. It helps recovery if luggage is lost.
Absolutely.
Do you carry a small first aid kit while traveling?
Yes, for minor emergencies like headaches or cuts.
That's very responsible.
Exactly.
How do you handle jet lag or long flights?
I try to sleep, drink water, and adjust to local time gradually.
That's smart. It makes adjusting easier.
Absolutely.
Do you pack a change of clothes in your carry-on?
Yes, in case luggage is delayed or lost.
That's very practical.
Exactly.
Do you book airport lounges for comfort?
Sometimes, especially for long layovers.
That makes waiting more enjoyable.
Absolutely.
Do you usually get travel snacks or water at security?
Yes, I refill my bottle and carry healthy snacks.
That's smart. Airports can be expensive.
Exactly.
How about carrying entertainment like books or movies?
Yes, I download movies and podcasts for the flight.
That's practical. Long flights can be boring without entertainment.
Absolutely.
Do you use travel apps to track your flight?
Yes, they give updates on gate changes and delays.
That's very helpful.
Exactly.
How about airport navigation signs?
I always check signs for gates, security, and customs.
That's smart. Airports can be confusing.
Absolutely.
Do you carry foreign currency or use cards?
Both. I exchange some money and use cards for convenience.
That's practical. Some places accept cash only.
Exactly.
Do you book hotels close to the airport?
Sometimes, especially if I have an early flight.
That's smart. Reduces stress and travel time.
Absolutely.
Do you check baggage claim procedures?
Yes, I always confirm where to collect luggage.
That's practical. Avoids confusion at arrival.
Exactly.
Do you carry travel-sized toiletries in your carry-on?
Yes, small shampoo, toothpaste, and sanitizer.
That's very convenient.
Exactly.
How about customs forms and immigration?
I fill them carefully to avoid delays.
That's smart. Mistakes can slow down the process.
Absolutely.
Do you carry a copy of your travel itinerary?
Yes, printed and on my phone.
That's very practical. Useful if documents are lost.
Exactly.
How about keeping emergency contacts handy?
Yes, both local and home contacts.
That's responsible.
Absolutely.
Do you check local transportation options at your destination?
Yes, metro, bus, or taxi services for easy travel.
That's smart. Saves time after arrival.
Exactly.
Do you carry snacks for children or family when traveling?
Yes, especially for long flights.
That's practical. Keeps everyone comfortable.
Absolutely.
Do you check travel restrictions or COVID rules?
Yes, to avoid last-minute issues.
That's very responsible.
Exactly.
How about airport Wi-Fi and mobile connectivity?
I always check so I can stay connected.
That's practical for communication and updates.
Absolutely.
Do you pack a spare charger and power bank?
Yes, essential for travel.
Very smart. Devices often run out of battery quickly.
Exactly.
Do you check airline baggage fees before booking?
Yes, to avoid extra charges.
That's very practical.
Absolutely.
Well, Liam, it seems you're ready for a smooth and enjoyable trip.
Yes, Jake, I feel confident about booking flights and traveling safely.
That's excellent. Proper planning, preparation, and awareness make traveling stress-free and enjoyable.
Exactly. I'm excited for my trip to Paris. That was a complete conversation about booking a flight and traveling. We hope you learned useful travel phrases, vocabulary, and tips to book flights, navigate airports, and enjoy your journey in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who want to improve their English. And don't forget to comment below, what's your dream destination to fly to next? Safe travels and keep practicing your English.